Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile like pin, pattern, password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your phone. And the biggest thing from this video, we will also know that how you can remove the password of your mobile without using any computer software. This method is also used in service center nowadays. You can use it by sitting at home. By doing this, you can unlock any Android phone by sitting at home. So let's learn it. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to fully charge your smartphone so that your mobile is not switched off at the process of unlocking. If your mobile is switched off at the process of unlocking, it may be possible your data remains in danger and being deleted. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must fully charge your smartphone. Then after it may be possible your phone is not fully charged. Then if you are going to unlocking your phone, it you can also use this method by plugging your charger to your phone. If your phone is not charged completely, then after use the offline mode. So in your phone, firstly you have to go with the offline mode. You can see here uh, I have activated this. You can see here I have activated the airplane, or you may also say that airplane mode. Firstly you have to activate your airplane mode. I have already activated it. And if your phone is not activated with the airplane mode, firstly you have to click on airplane mode. So airplane mode is, now you can see here airplane mode is activated in my phone. So now the second process is what you have to do. I'm going to tell you, just a minute. Yeah, okay. Now the second process is, firstly you have to go here. You can see the bottom of the phone, emergency call option. You can see here emergency call option. So click on emergency call option. After clicking on emergency call option, you can see a such type of dialing pad display. And now I'm going to telling you a secret code. By this secret code, your all application which were running before your phone has been logged should be completely stopped. So this secret code is for that your all application which were running in your background before your phone logged should be stopped. So this secret code is star has 8523 900. You can take a screenshot of the secret code, or you can write down it on your paper or pen. Sorry, with paper and pen. Now you have to call on this number. You can see a prompt of call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. Don't worry, you have to simply go with the OK option. Again call this number, again OK, and again call, and again OK. Continuously you have to do this process 3 times. After doing this process 3 times, you have to simply clear your call log. Now the second and the important method, you have to go with the engineers mode. You have to activate in your phone engineers mode. What we will have to do for it? We will have to click here some secret code to go to the engineers mode, or you may also say that master unlocking code. By this code your phone will be unlocked within few minutes. So you have to click on star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on hash, you can see a such type of display in your phone. There are lots of options from top to bottom, but the main option what you will have to use here, that is software version. You can see here software version has been written in your phone. Simply click on it. Now after clicking on this option, you can see a such type of option in your phone from top to bottom. But now you can see here your model number will also show here RMX2117, but you don't have to go with it. You have to click on Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will show here Android version 13, 10, 11. But if your phone here showing Android version 12, so that means you have to click here on Android version 12 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just a minute. If your phone is showing here Android version 11, that you will have to click on this option 11 times. If your phone is showing here 13 Android version, then you will have to click here 13 times. Now the second stage has been completed. Now we have to do? We have to go with the back option. Now you can see here There is an option above the software version, that is manual test option. You have to simply click on manual test option. After clicking on manual test option, there are such type of display has been appear in your phone display. Now simply you have to go with the right side, sliding a right side, and you have to reach on the other option. You can see here option, there is written other. Now on the other option there will be five type of option, but you will have to go with the database version. You can see here written database version. You can see here database version option. Now you have to click on this database version option 7 times. So simply click on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after clicking on this database version 7 times, you will have to here wait 7 seconds. So wait for 7 seconds. Now 7 seconds has been completed. Now you can see here option read write important log test. Above the key status option you can see here read write important log test. Now simply click on this option. You will get a prompt of confirm, but you don't have to confirm here. You will have to cancel it, and continuously you will have to repeat this process 3 times. 2 and 3. After completing this method 3 times, now at the 4th time you will have to click on OK option. Now the second stage has been completed. Now the what we will have to do now, the third stage is you will have to slide it left side, and you will have to stop here with the device debugging option. You can see here at the top device debugging option. There is also a lots type of option over there. You may see here there are lots of options: fingerprint test, keypad test, vibration test, touch screen test, charge test. But you don't have to go with these options. You have to go here with the sensor self test and calibration option. So simply click on sensor self test and calibration option. After clicking on sensor self and calibration test, and you will get a two type of prompt, or it may be possible in your phone it will be show here three type of option, one type of option, and you will see here operation not started prompt. So what will you have to do? You will have to click on these all option whatever in your phone showing. So you can see here test started and failed. Continuously click on these options until your phone show here test passed message. Continuously click on this. Now you can see here there is a test passed message. It may be possible if one option has come with the test pass, it means your phone has been completely unlocked. Now what will you have to do? You will have to go at the bottom of your phone. You can see here there are option of home button. Now simply you have to click on home button. Now you can see your phone has been completely unlocked. So if this video help you to unlock your phone, then subscribe my channel and like this video for the further these type of technical video will definitely help you in further technical issues. Thank you very much.